Everyone, in today's class, let us learn about the sentence and parts of a sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Example, she works hard, India is our motherland. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words. It is a group of words which makes a complete sentence. A group of words, it is a combination of words which makes a complete sense. It is called a sentence. She works hard. If instead of she works hard, if I say hard works she, does it make any sense? No, it does not make any sense. So she works hard makes a sense. It is called a sentence. Remember one thing, a sentence must begin with what? It must begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now let's see what is parts of sentence. How many parts of sentences are there? A sentence has two parts. They are the subject and the predicate. Parts of sentence has two parts. They are the subject and the predicate. What is a subject? The subject is the person or thing who does the action or about whom we speak about. What is a subject? The subject is the person or thing who does the action or about whom we speak about. Example, the birds fly in the air. Cats drink milk silently. Here, what is the subject is doing? What the birds doing? Who does the action? It is called subject. When we speak about the subject, fly in the air. Who fly in the air here? The birds. Drink milk silently. Who drinks milk here silently? Cats. So the birds is the person who does the action. It is called what? It is called subject. Here cats. What they are doing? They are drinking the milk. And who is the subject here? Who does the action? The cat drinks the milk. The cat's doing the action. So it is called a subject. What is predicate? What is predicate? What we speak about the subject. It is called predicate. Or in other words, if you see means remove the subject and the rest of the words are called the predicate. For example, if you see here, fly in the air, it is predicate. Drink milk silently, it is predicate. In other words, remove the subject and the rest of the words are called the predicate. The example, love our country, play with dolls. Here I have not written any subjects. Love our country, love work and our country object. Play work with dolls. So in predicate we see the verb plus object. It is predicate. We don't have any subject here. What we speak about the subject? We speaking about the subject here, but we don't have here a subject. Our subject here should come means we love our country or babies play with dolls. So we have not written any subject. The rest of the words in the sentence is called predicate. Now the following sentences are divided into subject and predicate. India is a great country. For subject let us circle and for predicate we will underline. So India is our subject here. Is a great country, predicate. Here the workmen were lazy. The workmen is our subject. Were lazy, predicate. This house is beautiful. This house is subject and is beautiful is predicate. Some boys were flying kites. Some boys is our subject. Were flying is predicate. Were flying kites is predicate. The wind is subject. Is blowing is predicate. Read each sentence. Write a subject for it. Dash are my favorite fruit. So anything you can write which is your favorite fruit. I like apples. So I will write that as a subject. Apples are my favorite fruit. Next. Dash rises in the east. Your subject what? What rises in the east? The sun. The sun rises in the east. Dash is our national animal. The subject, which is your national animal? Tiger. Dash is called the father of the nation. Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi. So we have written the subjects. Now let us write the predicates. Now let's add predicates to the subject. My favorite sport. My favorite sport is cricket. Is cricket. Now this is our predicate. The postman. The postman brings us our letter. Bees. Bees gather honey from flowers. An aeroplane. This is our subject. Now what predicate we will add here? An aeroplane flies very fast. So we added predicate. Like this we have to make subject and predicate. Now in the next video, in my next video, I will do with the kinds of sentences. With this I conclude. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all my notifications. Thank you.